Namo Bhagavate Sri Ramchandraya Lord Ram. Let me tell you about his complete story, the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So once there was King Dasarath who had three queens, Kausalya, Sumitra and Kekai. So they wanted a child. Once they got to know about Shringi Rishi, so they talked to them about the Putra Kameshchi Yajna. So then they were very happy that now they will have sons. And then to Kausalya Lord Ram came, and then Bharatji came to Mother Kekai, and Lakshmanji and Shatrughanji were born to Mother Sumitra. So like this, there were four princes in the palace. When they grew up a bit, they went to Gurukul, and then when they were young, so they returned from Gurukul. Then Vishwamitraji came to take Lord Ram for killing a demoness named Taka. First, Dasarathji was very sad. He said, he is only 15-year-old. I'll come with you with my complete army. Then Vasishji made him understand that you can also send Lakshmanji with him. So Lord Ram and Lakshmanji went there to kill the demoness Taka. They killed Taka, but there were two sons of her. So once there was Marich and Subahu. So when they shooted the arrow to Subahu, so he died. But Marich went lot far away. Then they went to Janakpuri. So there they got to know about Janaki, the daughter of King Janak. So everyone was coming in the proposal of her marriage. So the person who will string the bow, the person will get Mother Janaki's hand in the marriage. So Lord Ram was even present there. So he stringed the bow, and at that time the bow broke into two pieces, and Lord Ram got married to Mother Sita, and the three brothers of Lord Ram even got married to three sisters of Mother Sita. At that time Parsuram Diri is there. So he said that who dared to break this sacred bow of Lord Shiv? Then Ramji came there and he said, I am the one who did it, and both of us are same. So why are you saying this to me? So both of us are same. You are also Ram, I am even Ram. So he made understood to Parsuramji that we both are same. And after it, all of them returned to Ayodhya. There, Lord Ram was about to be the next king. So his ceremony was about to happen. And when Manthara, the maid of Kekaiji, got to know about it, that Ramji is going to be the next king, so she was very angry. She poisoned the mind of Mother Kekai. So Mother Kekai asked two boons from King Dasarath. That one is, I want that Bharat will be the next king, and Ram will go to exile for 14 years. So Lord Ram followed his father's command, and he went to the forest with Mother Janaki and Lord Lakshman. So all of them reached to the forest. At that time, Bharatji and Shatrughanji were in their maternal grandparents' home. So King Dasarath died at that time. So both of them were called from their maternal grandparents' home. And when they got to know about everything that Lord Ram is in the forest, so they went to Lord Ram, and there they talked about it, and they said about King Dasarath's death, and all of that happened. And there was a demoness named Surpanakha who wanted to marry Lord Ram. So she made a form of a beautiful lady and went there to ask Lord Ram's hand for marriage. So she said that, will you marry me? Then Lord Ram said that, no, I am married from before. So then she asked to Lakshmanji. So he said that, I am married from before too. So she was very angry. She wanted to attack Tumasita, and she was even about to. But at that time Lakshmanji threw his knife, because of which her nose and ears were cut down. So then she went there yelling to her brother Ravan. Ravan was the king of Lanka. So when he got to know about it, that Sita was very beautiful, so he thought to kidnap Mother Sita. So he went in the forest and tricked Lord Ram and kidnapped Mother Sita. And when Lord Ram got to know about it, that his wife Sita had been kidnapped by Ravan, so he went in the Lanka, and there he killed to Ravan. And then all of them returned to Ayodhya, because 14 years were passed away. So this was the complete story of Lord Ram. Sri Ram,